Welcome to Perfect Laser. Here we would like to introduce our fiber laser cleaning machine with 200 voltage. For this machine, this is the power indicator. Here is the power switch. Here is the laser switch. And here is the emergency switch. Here is the scanning head. You can adjust the laser's mode from this button. You can see here is 6 meters fiber cable with the scanning head together. It can move to anywhere, and it is very convenient. For the cooling method, this machine is air cooling system. And here is the cooling system. For the laser, it is 200 voltage. Now we will adjust to 50%. Then the power is around 100 voltage. Then we will let you know how it works. For this kind of machine, it has 2 different modes. We can see the mode is line scanning. Here we will show after we adjust the power as 100%. It means the voltage is 200. Now you can see it is more power. For this kind of line scanning, it is for cleaning bigger objects. Here is another kind of scanning mode. You can see there is a spot come out from the laser head. It is suitable for cleaning a corner of the objects. Now we adjust the power percent as 100%. You can see the power is more powerful, have big energy. Normally higher voltage with highest scanning speed. Here we can see the scanning result. Here is the scanning result by a 100 voltage power, and here is the scanning result by a 200 voltage. You can see the scanning result for 200 voltage. The scanning is smooth, and the scanning speed is faster than this one.